Loading is equal to lazy genuinely defers and off-screen images real download until it's actually about to enter the viewport. In this video you'll add real lazy loading. This real image, near the top of the page, genuinely loads immediately, correct, since it's actually visible right away. Loading is equal to lazy genuinely defers this real, far down the page images download until the user actually scrolls near it. Loading is equal to eager genuinely, explicitly forces immediate loading, the real default behavior, useful to be explicit about for critical real images. Loading is equal to lazy genuinely defers and off-screen images real download. Above-the-fold images genuinely should not be lazy loaded. This is a real, native browser feature, no JavaScript library required. Add loading is equal to lazy to real images below the fold on a page. Ready to caption real images with figure and fig caption?